Now let's do. Welcome to another tutorial on MATLAB. In this tutorial series, we are looking into the plant model aspect of plant modeling in MATLAB. In this tutorial, we will see what is the model we created and how it is more related to the physical system that we have analyzed by using the system equation. So let's get started. As we already know that we have the system equation for the plant model as given here, where x dot represents the velocity and x double dot represents the acceleration of the mass temporal system and x represents the position. F is the applied force and m is the mass of the system. So as you can see here, x double dot is the outcome of all these things which are on the right hand side. Here the first term is c by m x dot. So this is the x dot in our model and it is being multiplied with c by m with the help of this gain block, and this is the outcome that is going to be subtracted. So in this case there is a mistake. This should be the applied force and this will be minus. So the applied force is always positive because it is inducing the force into the system. So the applied force will be multiplied by F by m, 1 by m, and the outcome is F by m, which is represented with this tag, and this tag is being connected here. This is positive and it will apply the force into the system. Then we have this term which is k by m into x. So here is the x in this system model and x represents the displacement. Here k by m is being multiplied and this is the outcome that need to be subtracted from the entire system equation. So here we have all these terms got reflected in the model, and this is how this entire model represents this system equation. Here this one is x double dot, and whatever the applied force that we will be giving, we are getting the corresponding displacement and velocity and acceleration as the output from the model. In case you are liking the channel, please consider subscribing. In case you have any comment or query, please share it in the comment box so that we can improve your learning of MATLAB in this channel. So stay connected.